School of Public Health.
Established in 2007, the School of Public Health is a premier institution dedicated to advancing public health, education, training, and research.
Hello, I am Dr. Evangeline and I am from Tamil Nadu. I completed my Bachelor's of Dental Surgery. I decided to pursue Masters of Public Health so that it may stem from a desire for broader impact on public health beyond individual patient interaction and by contributing to health outcomes on a larger scale. SRM School of Public Health appealed to me because of its faculty expertise, research opportunities, and networking possibilities.
Hello, I am Rajkumar from Perambalur, Tamil Nadu. I completed my Bachelor's of Public Health from SRM School of Public Health and now I am pursuing my Master's in Biostatistics and Epidemiology in School of Public Health, SRMIST. SRM School of Public Health provides you a greater platform to enhance your writing skills, analytical skills and communication development. The faculties here will teach you STATA, SPSS, R and SAS. And also you can experience the field-oriented activities which help you to interact with the community people.
Besides offering Master of Public Health MPH, MSc Biostatistics and Epidemiology, and MSc Health Data Science programs, the School of Public Health actively engages in research studies.
Hi, I am Dr. Ytvideos and I completed my Bachelor's of Dental Surgery from my home state, Gujarat. After practicing as a dentist, I decided to enter healthcare at a more primary level, for which SRM School of Public Health offered me a course of Masters of Public Health, which I am pursuing now. My decision to join School of Public Health in SRM was influenced by the location, robust, research-friendly environment, and number of courses and workshops offered by the institute. And SRM School of Public Health stood out to me for these compelling reasons.
A testament to our research expertise, the National Family Health Survey (NFHS) is a prestigious project commissioned by the Government of India.
Hi, my name is Kasturi Hajra and I have done my Bachelor's in Clinical Research from UPS Dehradun. I joined SRM to do my Master's in Public Health, which is helping me in every way, be it academically or personally. From demography to epidemiology to health economics to mathematics to research, everything is being fulfilled and being taught to me in several ways in an interesting way. So it is shaping SPH, the School of Public Health is shaping me in a way that I can do my further studies in public health as well. So that is it. Thank you.
Having completed an FHS 5, the school is now spearheading the NFHS 6 survey in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. The School of Public Health also conducts management development programs MDPS, tailored for in-service candidates. Faculty from disciplines of epidemiology, biostatistics, public health, health management, demography, health communication, health economics, nutrition, environmental health, emergency preparedness, and disaster management teach in postgraduate programs, supervise PhD scholars. Placements. These are the organizations where our students have secured internships and placements. These opportunities play a crucial role in shaping their professional futures, providing them with hands-on experience, and fostering valuable industry connections.
School of Public Health, SRM University, Katankulathur campus.